Hi everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and futuristic business opportunities in India, personalized nutrition based on DNA testing. With rising health awareness, lifestyle diseases, and interest in precision healthcare, this sector is exploding. You'll learn how to turn this cutting-edge idea into a profitable venture in India, from understanding your audience to building your service, navigating legalities, and securing funds. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Who your target audience is, market research and analysis, your marketing and sales strategy, financial planning and costing, funding and investment options, company incorporation and legal compliance, required documents to start up, how Market Research Universe can help you. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. So let's jump in. The success of any business starts with knowing who you're serving. For personalized nutrition in India, your core audience includes urban millennials and Gen Z, fitness freaks and gym goers, people dealing with diabetes, PCOS, obesity, working professionals in cities like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, elderly people focused on disease prevention, even health coaches, clinics, and dietitians. Now let's talk market potential. The Indian personalized nutrition market is growing fast at a 16% CAGR. Globally, this industry is already worth over $15 billion. People are shifting from general diets to DNA-based custom diets that target long-term health. This is not just a trend, it's the future. Competition includes brands like MapMigenome, Genefitletics, Xcode Life. You can differentiate by offering an AI-driven app, deeper genetic insights, or wellness product bundles. Marketing will make or break your startup. Here's a strong strategy. Use Instagram, YouTube, and Google Ads to educate the public about DNA-based nutrition. Collaborate with gyms, influencers, doctors, and wellness platforms. Offer a free sample report or discounted DNA kit to bring users into your funnel. Use subscriptions, monthly meal plans, health tracking, supplement boxes. Pro tip, position yourself as a science-backed, tech-enabled brand that empowers people with data-driven health choices. Let's talk money. How much do you need to start this business? Estimated initial costs, DNA testing equipment or lab partner. RS2, 30 lakhs. App, website, RS5, 10 lakhs. Marketing, RS3, 5 lakhs. Salaries, RS3, 6 lakhs. Month total launch cost, RS25 to RS50 lakhs, depending on whether you own or outsource the lab. Revenue sources, DNA test plus report fees, subscription-based diet plans, supplement sales, B2B services to wellness clinics. How do you fund this dream? Here are your best options. Bootstrapping. If you start lean with a partner lab, angel investors or HNIs, startup accelerators like CIIE, 100x.VC, Axelor government schemes, Startup India Seed Fund, Birax Biotechnology Ignition Grant, MSME Innovation Scheme. Once you gain traction, approach healthtech VCs for Series A. This business requires careful legal setup to build trust and operate smoothly. Here's what you need. Register your business as a private limited company or LLP. Apply for Startup India and MSME registration. Get FSSAI license if you sell nutrition products. Get a clinical establishment license if you build your own lab. Adhere to data privacy laws, DPDP Act 2023. Genetic data is sensitive, optional, NABL or ISO certifications. Here's a quick checklist of documents you'll need to get started. Company Incorporation Certificate, FSSAI, and GST registrations, data privacy policy, NABL or lab compliance, if required, Founders KYC, investor pitch deck, clinical license, if doing tests in-house. Make sure your data security practices are airtight. It's a deal breaker for customers and investors. Launching a personalized nutrition business based on DNA is not just a trend. It's an investment in the future of preventive healthcare. But to get it right, you need clarity, data, and a strategy. At Market Research Universe, we help founders like you with market size and competitor intelligence, customer segmentation, go-to-market strategies, pitch decks and financial models, regulatory and technical documentation. Let us help you decode the market while you decode DNA.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.